plug for the electrical power from the campground. So you have to plug the cable here and the other side to the campground. Just remember that the camper has two batteries, the engine and the service battery, and both batteries recharges when you use the cable and anytime you drive the camper too. So this is the garage. It's now locked. So to unlock the garage, turn the key and open the door. This is the equipment. So you have table, chairs, wedges, rubber hose. Normally there is the electrical cable too. That's the door to get into the living room. The same thing we have to do it to close it. So we turn this, turn the key and push in. So this is the left side of the camper, the driver's side, and here we have all the services. So we have here the second door to get into the garage. Here we have the bathroom. When the toilet box is full and you have a sign inside the camper, then we will show it later. You just remove the toilet box like this. You take it out and empty into the campground station. So here we have the full toilet box, and to empty you just remove the tap here, press this button to let the air into the toilet box and empty. Then you use some water and that's it. So now we are going to talk about water, and this is the place where you can refill the fresh water tank, and we have 100 liters of fresh water. Anytime you use the fresh water, like in the shower or in the sink, then the wastewater gets into the wastewater tank, which is under here. And here we have a handle, and now it's open. So before driving and anytime you move the camper, you close like this. The wastewater tank is full. Then you just need to park the camper in the right position and the campground area, and then open here, and then the water flushes out. This box here, we have the gas bottle. So one gas bottle is already connected and ready to be used. So if this bottle gets empty, then you have the second one. And the only thing you need to do is to close this bottle first with this handle here. Then you can use the special key, this one, to disconnect the rubber tube and connect it to the second bottle. After that, we turn the knob here to let the gas out. And after that, the last thing to do is to press this button and this button like this together for a few seconds as the gas valves open. So we are going to show you now how to use the awning. You just put the handle here and turn it to open. Open, not completely, but halfway. So you just take it out like this, open here, push up a little bit and then fix it again. Open, push up and fix. And then we are gonna open completely now. So now we are going to close the awning. So we just release this and go until the end and fix it again. Important thing is to check that this is in the right position, which is this one, not like this. Now we're gonna enter the camper and the door is locked. So to unlock, just put in the key and turn just a little bit. And the same thing is to lock. Just turn a little bit the key. We open the step by pressing the button here. Just let the step opens completely, not like this, so you can step over and get into the camper. So here we have the switch for the indoor lights, and that is the external light. Now we are into the camper master panel. So we press, now we have power, and if we turn the knob here, we can check the engine, battery level, power. That is the service battery level, power. We turn it a little bit. Fresh water tank is full and waste water tank is empty. We have no light on here. To have hot water and heating system. So to get the hot water on, we turn on the boiler like this. We can choose between 40 or 60 degrees. Once you don't need any more hot water, we suggest you to keep it off, as this system uses the gas bottle, so you can keep the gas for cooking, fridge and anything else. And if you feel cold in the camper, you turn the knob down. The first position here we have a little flame, so that means that the heating system is running, and with this one we can choose the fan power. So now we have the heating system working, and then if we need hot water, we turn it down and the second position, and we have flame and hot water on. That is the fridge. So we have the cooling box and the fridge here. We turn now the fridge on by pressing this button. And we can choose different system how the fridge works. The best one is automatic. So that means that the fridge chooses between gas power, electricity power and battery power. Now it's running with the gas because we have no connection from outside, no electrical connection. And when you run the camper, then it uses the battery power. And the only thing important for the clients is this button here, just to set the temperature of the fridge. The important thing is to close the door properly, otherwise the fridge sounds if it's not locked. The bathroom. The light is here. That is the toilet. You can put it in any position you prefer. And that is the flush. Here there is the handle to open and close the toilet to get the things into the box. And there is an important thing to know, that this handle must be in the lock position anytime you need to remove the toilet box. Otherwise there is no way to remove the toilet if the handle is open. And here there is a red light on when the toilet box is full. Here we have the chemical taps for the toilet, the blue one. So one of these taps must be put in toilet box every couple of days. So you just remove the plastic back and put the tap into the box from here without the plastic, which is for the waste water tank. So we always ask our clients to put some of this liquid, like a cup of coffee, every day into the sink, the bathroom and the kitchen sink. Here we are in the kitchen area, and that is the cooking station. So you open here this, and then once you press here and turn, you have the gas available, and you turn it on with a lighter. The windows, you can choose between the mosquito and the blind, different positions. To open the window, you press the red button and turn. And to close it, you open completely, so the windows goes back in the locked position. The important thing before driving is to check that the windows are closed in this position, not this, not in the middle, but completely inside. These kind of lights, you can turn it on and off by pressing several times the push button here in the middle. And this is the top window on the roof. So you press here and then you can open. And all these windows, they have the mosquito and the blind. Close this window before driving the camper and when the wind is quite strong. It's made of plastic, so it can be broken very easily. Now we locked. I'll go in the front of the camper just to remind you that here we have the ladder to get in top bed. So that is the right place. You have the special things to fix the curtain. We are in the front of the camper. So inside here we have the documents. This blue book, you have all the necessary for the police, the insurance and anything. Campground list and rental conditions, and there is also a tour guide for camper vans in Sardinia.